Welcome to the channel. I have an unpacking and assembly to do on a kit for a turntable. It's by Retro Life, model number SY101. Look in the description area for links and information. I have a coupon code in there. You can save some money. Alright, we're going to get our speakers out of the box. They are individually wrapped in their own bag to protect them from scratches during the shipping process. We have our instruction manual with our turntable belt, and we have an accessories bag. So let's get all this stuff put together, and we're going to turn it on and see what we got.